Hi everyone, this is Darcy and today I'm going to give you a preview of all the things that are coming up on my channel. Everything from challenges, giveaways, things for the body and for your health. If you want to hear everything that is coming up on my channel, keep on watching. I wanted to do this video because I haven't been posting as often since the year started because I've been dealing with some things with my health, with my personal life. So I don't want to get into it, but I'm back. First thing that I want to start is with some things that I have already shot that I'm editing and is coming up, which is the review of the JOVS 4D mask. This mask is a laser LED mask that has blown me away. This mask is very unique, comfortable, and is 6 times faster than LED lights. And I already shot the video. I'm editing. It's coming up, so keep an eye out for that. I'm gonna go a deep dive, I'm gonna show demonstrations, all the information about the settings, and even compare. I used the mask for 5 days and I was really impressed with the 5 days results. The only thing about the JOVS 4D mask is that it's very pricey, but the price is justifiable. So watch the video because I'm going to be going into very details about the mask and also show my before and afters. But LED lights still pretty effective as well. So if you have an LED lights that you love, keep using it. Or if you're interested on other more affordable masks, I highly recommend you check out the Aduro LED mask that just had an amazing update. I will leave the link on the description box below that I did a full review on the newest update of the Aduro, which still has 11 settings, 7 colors, and now is only 10 minutes, and also is a more comfortable fit as well. So check out the video if you're interested on a good LED mask with a more affordable price point. And I also mentioned another LED mask on this video as well that is also brand new and amazing. Another video that's coming up on my channel is my review of the Nebulyft N1 Limited Edition. I shot the video a while ago. I was again behind on my editing, but that video is coming up. And that device, it's really amazing. It's radio frequency device from Nebulyft, and I go over in a lot of details during the video and show before and afters. And that video was shot a long time ago, so my hair is going to be different, so keep that in mind. Again, I'm catching up with my videos and as I'm back posting more consistently. And this June I'm starting the Medicube Booster Pro 30-day challenge. Finally, I know I've been teasing that challenge for the longest time. During the Medicube 30-day challenge, I'm going to be featuring the Booster Pro. And each week, I'm going to use one of the features for a whole week and show you before and after. So week 1 Booster mode is the Booster mode. And the Booster mode helps absorb your skincare by 700%, which is crazy. I did get the Booster Pro a long time ago, and I did use it for a whole week before I did the Bear 2 challenge, so spoiler alert, I know it does work. But I really wanted to try out for you guys for 30 days using each setting. One thing that I find really unique about the Booster Pro is that you can use it pretty much with anything. Even on the microcurrent settings, you do not need to use it with any microcurrent gels or any conductivity gels. You can use it pretty much all the features with anything you're doing, so it doesn't add any extra skincare to your routine. So off the bat, that is really unique because all microcurrent devices I have tested before, you need water-based gel. So that is very unique. So it also saves time and saves money on extra skincare because you can use it with everything you already have. So if you're using your face cream, you can use the Booster mode, you can use the microcurrent mode. So we'll go over during the challenge, but that's why I'm doing 1 week on each setting. That way you know what each feature does, each feature results, and I'm going to be doing comparisons to the Medicube devices that are similar to each of the settings. So keep an eye on my channel for that. And that's why it took a while to do this challenge, because it's going to be very comprehensive. Off the bat, I can tell you I'm really impressed with the Medicube Booster Pro. You can see my skin on this video right now. I haven't even been using for a whole week because I'm doing the 1 week booster mode test, and I'm so impressed with the way my skin looks today. Even when I did the 4D mask video, which I already shot, I look more tired because I was still recovering from being sick, and then I got sick again with a horrible cold. Monday and Tuesday of this week, I was literally in bed. I couldn't get out of bed. My eyes were swollen. I was, runny nose, had the dark circles, the sunken eye look from being sick. So even not using for a whole week on the Booster mode, I already see results. As you can see in this video, I'm quite impressed. Definitely is the Booster mode because my skin is looking plump, it's looking super glossy. I not have anything on my skin right now. I don't even have moisturizer. So I'm so impressed, and I'll have before and afters and more information about it next Saturdays. And I'm also gonna have a Medicube Pro giveaway for the month of June during the Medicube Pro Challenge, so make sure to check out the Medicube Pro Challenge so you can enter the giveaway. The month of June will be mostly the Medicube Pro Challenge because that will be the only device I'll be using on my face for the month of June. But I'll also sprinkle a couple of reviews here and there. I'm going to be using the Bare 2 Body for this month. The Bare 2 Body is a microcurrent device for the body that helps to firm, sculpt, and also helps the cellulite. It has up to 960 microamps, which is the ideal microcurrent strength to help with body muscle tone. And I'm going to come back with a full dedicated video on it, showing my results that so far with one use, I was quite impressed that I could see the difference with one use on my belly, which I'm going to keep the photo for myself for now because it is pretty bad. And I already saw results with one use for my cellulite. So that was quite impressive. So I want to start using on my body for this month and come back to you guys with my before and afters, tips, and results. Maysama has also blown me away with their newest releases. They have released an LED post-light mask, which I will also have a dedicated video on it, probably later in June or July for sure. This mask has 3 modes and it is a really unique mask. The mouth area is also closed so you can treat your lips. It uses a very unique pulsating light technology that doesn't flash on your eyes. So if the other Maysama panel was too much for you, this is a great alternative because the pulsating light is not too distracting, so fast that you cannot even notice, but you do have the benefits of pulse light, which is proven to have your cells absorb better the light, and is a very comfortable mask as well. It has a 2 Velcro on the back that makes it really comfortable to use. It also short treatments, so definitely recommend. Maysama has been doing some amazing releases, so in the late June and probably beginning of July, I'll do a whole Maysama video talking about this mask in more details and also about all the Maysama products they have released. Maysama is a brand that I have talked about on my channel multiple times. I love their green rooibos serum. It's a serum that helps you get even better results with any of your LED masks, and recently they have released a lot of great other skincare products. They have the green rooibos biofirm facial oil, which is truly amazing, luxurious, great for facial massages. You cannot use with your LED lights, but amazing for facial massages or gua sha. Recently they also have released the green rooibos hydrating atomizer. Great thing about this is that you can actually use it with your LED lights. You can spray it before your sessions with LED lights, also to increase the results of LED lights. And they also just released their green rooibos probiotic moisturizer, which you can use after your LED light session. It has an amazing silky texture, and I will also be putting to the test when I do the dedicated video. So this year I've been dealing with a lot of health issues, and one of the reasons that I am back to having a lot of health issues is that I ran out of my NMN from Donotage. Only reason I didn't repurchase was because my finances are not doing the best right now. Don't want to get into it, but I'm sure everybody's going through things right now, so this can be quite pricey, and that's why I didn't repurchase. And I'm so grateful that they just lowered the price. So I recently repurchased NMN, which I have ran out last year before the winter, and since I ran out, I keep getting sick over and over, and when I get sick, I stay sick, and even got bronchitis and went to my lungs because I do have lung damage from the vid. Don't want to get into it. I have been diagnosed with long COVID, which is something I struggle, and this has been the only thing that helped. So I'm back on it. I'll keep you guys posted on that. And I also want to try the Pure Berberine from Donotage. Berberine has been studied, and people are talking about being a natural choice for Ozempic. Actually, my primary doctor, I've been doing some exams right now. I'm still going through exams because, again, I haven't been well. And my primary doctor suggested I go on Ozempic, and I said, no, I do not want to go on Ozempic, even though it is for my health. I want to try a healthier alternative, and that's why I researched it and saw that Berberine has been talked about being a natural choice for Ozempic. It's not going to make you, Berberine is not going to make you shed the weight like Ozempic or make you not eat or have all kinds of side effects. It is compared to Ozempic in a way that it helps with your blood sugar. So if you're diabetics or pre-diabetics, it can be helpful. It helps with metabolism. It helps you with your body process fat. So, and also helps with your appetite. That's why it's a little compared to Ozempic, but it is not the same. It's just a very loose comparison, and I want to put it to the test myself and share with you guys, because I know a lot of people are going through the same thing, some health issues. They may have to lose some weight for their health, and I want to try some things and see what works for me. So my goal this summer is exercise moderately, eat healthier, take Berberine, take my NMN, and do some of the tools that I show on my channel, and then share with you guys my journey and share with you guys my results, and I'll keep you guys posted on that. If you're interested on any of the products that I have talked about in the video, I do have coupon codes, and I'll leave that in the description box with my affiliate links. If you have any questions, please make sure to comment below. I love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and keep an eye on my channel for all the videos coming up this summer. I love you guys so much. I hope you're healthy and safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!